Good Wednesday morning. I hope everyone enjoyed the rest of their Tuesday afternoon. It doesn't sound like anyone had any issues with their targeted math group. However, I was told Francis and David were absent. Today is Wonderful Wednesday, so be sure to check out the Wonder for today. Do your best because your grade will be in Plus Portal. Be ready to share at 8:30. We have a mystery guest reader coming at 10:45, so we will actually do math right after science and then do literacy at 10:45. We're just going to flip-flop, but it will not be reflected in the calendar. We will still go with what's on the calendar. We will have wrap up Wednesday to discuss the project of geometricity that will be due on Friday the 12th, as well as discuss the new IXL language arts and math practices that we're going to be doing weekly. Okay, those will also be reflected in Plus Portal. So we will talk about those things at 11:45. Let's make it a great Wednesday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.